Okay. Lesson for today is making a U-turn. Smooth U-turns, nice and slow. Sharp turns requires nice and slow movements. So here we go. Good job. Now go ahead and change lanes to your left. Looking. Okay, good job. He looked over his left shoulder before changing lanes to the left. Nice. And he put his left turn signal. So we're gonna make a U-turn on this one. So he's taking the lane's right side, so he can make a nice U-turn. And if you notice, safe distance from the crossing. Good job. All right. Change lanes to your left. Good job.
Oh, snap.
Okay, if there's a car, good job. That's why you look over to your left. Good job. So when you look over to your left, only proceed when it's safe. So it wasn't safe, so you didn't proceed, which was good. Good job.
I didn't see that car signal, so I didn't.
Okay. Well, sometimes they're in a hurry, they would do that. Okay. But yeah, you always be alert, and that was a good, that was a good example of being alert. You looked over to your left shoulder and you saw a car coming, so you didn't proceed. Perfect. Perfectly done. Okay? Good job. Okay, another U-turn here. All right. Good job. Good job. So this will be the last U-turn. I think we've learned our lesson here. So you take the right side of your lane when you're making a U-turn. That'll give you a better angle with your U-turn. And if you notice the distance, you're able to see the first line of the pedestrian crossing lane. That's the ideal distance of your car to the pedestrian crossing. You're able to see the white line, the first one. Alright, here we go. It's a green. So we're making a U-turn, nice and safe. Nicely done. And then turn to the left. Okay, good job. All right, good job.
So are we going home?
Yes, we may go home.